Hey everybody, welcome to Connor Homestead. It is a frosty January. Like a lot of the country, we got hit with some snow here in central Arkansas, Zone 7B, and we are going to do some very quick homesteading chores before the sun gets down. Something very... Okay, so our new greenhouse over here, our new high tunnel, that wind, the way that wind was whipping, we noticed that it keeps kind of opening or getting into the door. So we are going to walk over here as you see the snow. To fix this, actually, we're gonna reinforce it with the bungee, and then we're gonna take a look at the pond while we're over this way. So coming in here, and I'll show you what's going on. So if you look at the sides here, we've got this rope that goes through the door here, get it from this angle, eyelets, and then, oh, no, here's what happened.
Oh, it's undone?
Yeah, so the knot came out, so we've got to re-knot it.
Oh, shit, shoot.
Careful, careful, careful. So,
I just want to make sure no one's in there.
No one's in there, it's looking nice.
Here,
Okay.
What should I do?
Well, first we need to re-knot this.
Here, you hold this. Keep your hands forward, too.
Okay, I will.
Re-knot it, like put it in.
Yeah, put it through there, and it needs to go through another eye too, so it can get this other. No, the other eye here.
Okay.
Okay, it needs to tie into a knot. Let me do. No. Here, let me do it. Okay, so I've got this bungee coming through an eye here, and then a lower eye here, and then going through those hooks. So hopefully it'll keep it from going. So now let's check out. This is the old little pond. It really is very small. And then here is the bigger pond, Babe's fishing hole. You can see we're working on trying to train this dog off leash. She's catching a scent, probably from the deer. Whiskey, come. Good girl, good girl. Good girl, good girl.
I don't want you to stop. I don't want you to walk down on this. All right, wait, stop.
Oh. She's going potty. Okay. This is the pond. It is nice and frozen.
Someone were thinking this is walkable.
Right.
It's frozen, but not that frozen.
Just super excited about our pond.